Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be replacing the harmonic balancer on the 2014 Nissan Altima. So this is the pulley that I'll be installing. This is from O'Reilly. And the reason why I'm replacing it is because this harmonic balancer has this shimmy action kind of going on. So for some reason, I don't know if it's bent or what, but the pulley actually does one of these things. As it's turning, it's kind of shimmying like this left to right. It's like very minute, but you could absolutely see it from the top, and that's really bad. So it's also causing some noises and some vibration. If that continues, then it might cause further damage to the internals of the motor. So that's why we're changing this balancer. Now, the way we do that is there is a bolt up there where we can kind of back off the tensioner so we can pull the belt off. And talking about the belt looks pretty bad. You can see that it's got cracking. So if you guys are noticing that your belt has these cracks on them and stuff like that, it's time to change. Just a quick note for you guys. If you guys are doing an inspection and discover that, hey, I've got some cracks in the serpentine belt, you need to get that changed right away. So while the owner is out getting a replacement serpentine belt, I'll get a jump start and get this backed off. The bolt here is a 19 millimeter. There's a couple of ways we can back this out. We can do it with a pry bar or a puller. So I've got the puller. So we'll do the pry bar method first, and if that doesn't work out, we'll do plan B. Let's start mechanicking. Okay, so there you have it. Really easy to replace the harmonic balancer or crankshaft pulley. You know, I did the working out the balancer with the pry bar, and it was actually pretty easy. But if it does get stuck, you have the option of using a crankshaft puller. So torque specs on this is 80 foot-pounds, and the tensioner, there's a bolt right above it. I don't know if you can see that. It's like right up here somewhere. That's a 17 millimeter socket, and you turn it clockwise or to loosen the tensioner, and you can pull the belt out. So, all right. So that was a pretty easy project that you can do. I'll have a description in the comments section with the part that I used in this installation. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.